So how do you tell the difference between a pullback and a rotation? Okay, so a couple different things you can do to look at that specifically. Let's look at this one here this morning, just off the open. We have a couple different things as you're looking at this 830 candle bar here. Is this a pullback or is this a rotation? Well, let's first assess the trend. Well, we're in a hard downtrend here. If you look at the 730 news candle, we had this fake out breakout scenario to the upside and then a hard push to the downside, and then we created this trend to the downside, right? We have our EMA clouds trending to the downside, and then so that's one of the first tools I look for is the trending tool. Where are we on the trending tool, which is just an EMA moving average cloud that I use. And then I look at things like VWAP here as to help me understand which direction we're going. So we're obviously heading in a downtrend. We crossed over from this sideways to uptrend here to this downtrend at this move right here. So then the question is, what is it? How do I tell this is not a rotation when you have a big green candle followed by another green candle that's pushing upwards? Well, so you go to the order flow chart. That's how you assess a fake breakout to a pullback, right? Or differentiate between a rotation where you think you're going up versus just a pullback and then a continuation back down. Okay, so here on the delta or on the order flow candle, you can tell from delta. Okay, but you got to let bars close before you make these decisions, right? So you have your opening candle here, your surge 15 or 1,560 on the delta, more buyers than sellers, and then you transition over into this candle here where you have a big green candle up that covers 49.30 to about 7 S&P points on here with negative delta. This is a dead cat bounce. This tells me that this is not very powerful moving up. We respected VWAP, the body of the candle respected VWAP, and then you have this immediate reaction right here. This was a dead cat bounce to the upside, confirmed with this bar as selling continued, right? You gotta let these bars close, and then you have your entry right here as price came down and you put in a lower low. That's how you differentiate between it all. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.